How to create NFT digital art for beginners 2022. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another NFT related tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be discussing how you can create NFT digital art, and it's going to be very simple, very easy. I know all you beginners out there who are getting into the NFT business want to learn how to make NFTs, because obviously NFTs are on the rise nowadays and people are making tons and tons of money. People have made hundreds of thousands of dollars just off of NFTs. And what are NFTs? NFTs are just a non-fungible token, and they're just images. They're just art, and people are making tons and tons of off of it. So all you need to do is just create this small fraction of an art, and you can make hundreds of dollars off of it. So I'm gonna be here to explain to you how to do it. So just don't worry, I'm gonna walk you through all of it. It's gonna be very simple, very easy. Just watch this video till the end, and I assure you that if you do that, you're gonna properly know how to create digital NFT art. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, first of all, let's go to an NFT website so I can explain to you what the NFT marketplace actually looks like. So this is OpenSea. OpenSea is, as we can see, the largest NFT marketplace. Now, if we're over here, we can see, I'm just gonna wait for it to load up really quick. Now, as it loads up, we can see all of these tons and tons of different NFTs related to sports, related to collectibles, art. Now, as you can see in the collectibles, you can see the Bored Ape, this type of NFTs. You can see photography, sports, different types of NFTs. Let's go in collectibles, because obviously in the collectibles section we can see the Bored Ape is the most famous NFT there is. So look at that. There are different types of these NFTs: CryptoPunks, Bored Ape Yacht Club, etc. These are different NFTs, and obviously people upload this, and this is just digital art, and people give these digital arts so much value. Now, the CryptoPunks have a total volume of 1 million Ethereum coins. Like, imagine if we come here and we search up 1 million ETH to US dollars. 1 million Ethereum is 1,327 US dollars. That is crazy. And back in the day, it wasn't much. Back in the day, it was pretty low, but nowadays, it's on a huge rise. And it's amazing. It's amazing on how much it has gained recently. And that's obviously in a day. Like, if we calculate it using the proper currency, then 1 million Ethereum is around this much USD. So that is crazy. So now we come back here. Obviously, we have discussed all about the NFTs, etc. Now let's discuss how you, the user watching this video, can make your very own. So let me get into that right now. Now, first of all, what you need to do is, obviously, you're going to find yourself some attractive image that you're going to turn into an NFT. So, vector image of, and let's say, apple. You want a vector image of an apple, and let's say I'll pick up this. Let's pick up something that can actually turn into an NFT. Let's pick this one. This one looks pretty decent. I'm going to save this image, and I'm going to download it right here. And now what you're going to do is, obviously, we're going to remove ourselves the background. So to remove the background, we're going to go to remove.bg. It's a great website to remove any type of background you have on a photo. So here we go, and I'm going to upload the photo right here. And it's just going to take a few moments. And look at that. It successfully removed the background. Now what you can do is you can just download it, and you're going to wait for it to load up. Now, if you want to download it in HD, obviously you're going to have to sign up, etc. So you can download it for free without signing up if it's a normal preview. So now that we go, I'm going to see if the preview is right. And yes, our NFT looks great. Now, obviously, you're probably thinking right about now that this is just an image without a background. How do I convert this into an NFT? Keep watching and I'm going to show you. You're going to need to go to a website called Pixel Art. Now, pixelart.com is a free online art community that started, and basically you can turn any type of photo you have into a pixel art. Now, it's going to be pretty self-explanatory once I get into the website itself. So I'm just going to do that really quick. I'm going to wait for it to load up. And here we go. This is pixel art. It says create and share art. Share, make pixel art, socialize, shop. Now, if we come down here, we can see all these great different types of arts. This is from Chainsaw Man. This is different video games, etc. We come up here. This is Wednesday Addams. Different things that are trending nowadays. You can see all of it over here in just pixelated art. So these are obviously not NFTs. These are just arts, but we're going to be making NFTs. So for that, what we're going to do is we're going to click on Start Drawing. Now, once you click on Start Drawing, you can go through all the steps and procedures. I'm just going to skip all of that right now, and I'm going to click on New Drawing. Now, once you click on New Drawing, this is your blank canvas, and this is where you're going to do all your work. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to import our file. And to do that, we're going to click on this, and we're going to go to Downloads. And obviously, if you don't find it from there, what you can do is you can go in your downloads, and from here you can take the image that you removed the background, you can bring it here, and you can paste it right into your pixel art. Or you can just use another tool. So what you can do is you're going to go in settings, you're going to click on upload image. Basically, you're going to come to settings, come to tracing. Now you can come to tracing. And once you come to tracing, you're going to click on upload image, go to your downloads, and then you can just upload your image. Now, obviously, you can set it to fit, you can set it to cover or contain. The best is fit, and make sure to enable this from here. And don't just go off yet. Once you're here, you can change all these different settings. For example, if you want the grid, if you want the checker, you can originate different background patterns. Onion skin is obviously the different shades on your art. Once you do that, look at that. Your art is now here. Now, to pixelate it, what you're going to do is come to pixel size, and obviously you're going to increase the pixel size. Now, these are the different pencil tools, etc. So, to start with, like, obviously, first of all, you're going to mess around with the tools, etc. So let's go over here, let's say, and let's say you want to go to layers and add different clipping masks. Now, masks are generally used to put different layers on top of each other without it looking bad. Now, I don't think we're going to need much of that over here because obviously it's irrelevant. But what we're going to do is obviously we're going to start messing around. Like, obviously, as you can see right now, I'm just mucking about. So I'm going to enable this layer, and look at that. You can just start drawing. Now, to make things look like a proper NFT, you're going to outline your basic pixel art. So for that, you can see all these different kinds of tools that you have. You have the lightening and darkening tool, the line tool, etc. What you can do is you can go in the brush tool, and from the brush tool or the pencil tool even, you can start doing all these different types of background changes on it, like this, for example. This is obviously me just trying to make it look somewhat decent. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to disable all these things in the background. There we go. And now I'm just going to decrease the pixel size. From here on out, what you're going to do, enable, and from here, you're going to start outlining your pixel. Now, obviously, this doesn't look the most appealing because I'm just making it off of a width. And I'm going to outline it like this, right here. Now, obviously, it's outlined so it looks much better. It doesn't look the greatest, doesn't look the most appealing, but you have to admit it looks much better. And obviously your picture is going to be extremely pixelated. You can add different backgrounds and you get the main gist of it. From here on out, you can add different things. You can add different layers like this. You can add different outlays, overlays, etc. You can add even more transformation outlines, etc. just to make your NFT more creative. And once you've done all that, all you need to do is you're going to click on download. And once you click on download, you can click on download PDF. And you can also mess around with the pixel or the dimensions. And after you do that, you're going to click on download PNG. And that is how you create your very own NFT digital art. So yeah, that is all from me. I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll see you all next time then. Goodbye.